everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm gonna tell you how to enable screen mirroring in your device Moto G85. But before we get started, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on new videos and stay updated on all the latest tips and tricks. Let's get started.